Today I'm making smoothies, guys. It's easy, simple recipes. You guys want to make them for yourself, for your kids. Here are my ingredients. I added yogurt, so I don't need any added sugars. You do not need sugar for smoothies. You just add yogurt and fresh fruits. I'll show you guys what types of fruits and yogurt I added to my smoothie. You guys can make these too. They're really simple, delicious. Guys, haven't already subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. Diaries of Leah, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. All you're gonna need is a blender or a smoothie maker, but I just have a blender. Simple blender. I have bananas, I have yogurts. Yogurts already have sugars and you don't need to add any more. It's gonna be sweet from the fresh fruits or frozen fruits and the yogurt. I'll show you guys what I used. Guys, just mix all the ingredients together that I show you and you have the perfect smoothie. If your fruit's already frozen, you won't need to put it back in the freezer. Whatever consistency you'd like, you can put it back in the freezer or drink it as is when you finish. These are so good. Guys, you'll love it. Haven't already tried Dole Strawberries, Peaches, and Bananas? Go to the store now, purchase some for it yourself. You will love these. And also light vanilla, non-fat yogurt, Walmart brand. Guys, these are the best fruits and yogurts for smoothies or just to eat for breakfast or as a snack. Even though I said Walmart brand was the best, I still eat Yoplait. Guys, I just want to show you guys the ingredients that I use. Here's a closer look at the bag. There are ingredients in the bag, nutrition facts. It'll tell you all about the sugars and the ingredients that goes into this. And there's also a recipe. You can try their recipe if you like. They added carrots to theirs, and they said you can also add turmeric. Whatever you want to use for your smoothie, you can add. But if you want to try my recipe, that's awesome too. You can use more or less of any of the ingredients that I'm showing you. Mix everything I show you together, blend it how you'd like. I showed you guys at the end of this video how it looks creamy, more liquefied, and also frozen. You guys can freeze these, make them as popsicles, do whatever you'd like. But everything I showed you, just mix it together and voila, you have a smoothie. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell me how your smoothie turned out. Have an awesome day. Oh yeah, guys, if you do not want to add any of these yogurts, again, you can substitute anything that I'm showing you for your own ingredients. You can use Greek yogurt, sugar-free, milk-free, whatever you want to use, you can substitute. You can even add coconut milk. If you can handle it, you can add real milk. Make it your way. I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. If you want to see more Cooking with Leah, comment and let me know. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel now. Have a great day.